Good morning. I want to show you a couple of things about using oils, essential oils. This is a wild orange essential oil, and I wanted to show you what not to do with your new bottles. Firstly, don't shake the oils when you try to get a drop. Every oil has its own speed, depending on how thick or how runny the oil is. Learn it to just hold it and see how long it takes for the drop to come. The other thing that I would like you to not to do is this. Putting your finger, dirty finger, on the oil, shake it or get a drop like this. So don't touch the oil, the spout of the oil, because it contaminates your oil. So now the oil that you touched goes back to the bottle, and basically the whole bottle is contaminated. Especially when a family is using it, so more people use the oils. So make sure that you, again, let it drop. So wait for the drop to happen and use the oil like that, okay? So the correct use is, when you use the oil, is tilt it and wait for the drop to happen. You might have to wait a couple of seconds, but here it is. So that's a beautiful peppermint oil. Let's say if you would be using myrrh, which is one of the thickest and the more rich oils, you would really need to wait for quite a few seconds for it to happen. And especially with myrrh, because it is such a gluey, very rich oil, the cup sometimes gets stuck on there, so you can't open it with hand. So what I do is I put under runny warm water the cup, and basically after that it's much easier to loosen the top and use the oil. But as I said, let's say with myrrh, you have to wait for quite a few seconds, just holding, waiting for the oil to drop, and you will get it, okay? So always use your oil in a very hygienic, nice, safe way. Thank you very much. Bye. Happy oil using.